block diagram of baseband binary data transmission. It consists of what? First one, data encoding block, transmitting filter, channel receiving filter, then sample and hold circuitry, decision device, output binary data. One of the baseband system for transmission of digital data is a discrete pulse amplitude modulation. In this discrete PAM, the amplitude of the pulses varies in a discrete manner according to the input binary data. The discrete PAM have only two amplitude levels corresponding to binary 1 and 0. Successive binary digits can be combined into symbols. There can be multiple amplitude levels corresponding to these symbols. They generate discrete PAM signals. These signals are transmitted over the channel in baseband transmission as shown in above figure. The input data, binary data, to be first given to data encoding. The clock pulses are applied to the encoding system. Then transmitting filter H of t, which will be removes the noise. Then channel, where the data is transmitted. Receiving filter, which will be receives and removes unwanted noise. And the next, which will be given to the what? Sample and hold circuitry to take the digital data. Then decision device, then threshold input will be given, then output will be binary data. Output will be binary data. Figure shows the various digital modulation techniques. First one, phase shift keying, that is phase shift keying. Second one, frequency shift keying. Another third one is amplitude shift keying. In phase shift keying, the phase shift will be changes, it will be shown in figure. Then in FSK, variation in the frequency will be shown. In ASK, shown where the frequency is what? Rarefaction will be there, no, in waveforms, that will be shown. ASK signal, then no signal for zeros, it will be shown. These are the various digital modulation techniques. Next one, ASK amplitude shift keying, on off keying. The figure will be shows. Whenever there is a message, we are going to transmit 1. There is a no message, we are going to transmit 0. Then we are going to coming ASK generator. The binary data stream, which will be given to product modulator. Then carrier will be applied to square root of 2 ps 2 pi f naught t. The output is binary ASK signal. Now, how to detect the ASK out? How to detect the ASK? That is original information. How to detect? Binary ASK, it is a modulated, which will be given to the one adder. Then we are going to add carrier square root of 2 ps cos of 2 pi f naught of t coherent carrier. Then the one more is there, the integrator, which will be given, that is it will be 0 to TB. The locally generated coherent carrier is applied to the multiplier. The output of the multiplier is integrated over 1 bit period. The decision device takes decision at the end of every bit period. It compares output of the integrator with the threshold. Decision is taken in favor of 1 when threshold is exceeded. Decision taken 0 if threshold is not exceeded. Next one, block diagram of ASK receiver. The ASK signal which will be passed to band pass filter. The band pass filter which will be passes particular band of frequencies. Then it will be again given to envelope detector. Then the output of this will be given to decision device. Then we are going to getting binary sequence. Figure shows the block diagram of non-coherent ASK receiver. The bandpass filter passes only carrier frequency F0. The envelope detector generates high output voltage when carrier is present. When carrier F0 is absent, there is only noise at the input of envelope detector. Hence it produces low output. The decision device is basically generator. It generates the binary sequence V of T. Threshold is provided to the decision device to overcome effects due to noise. Block diagram of BPSK. Figure shows binary frequency shift keying. The block diagram BFSK is shown. Here input bit sequence, inverter, level shifter, then square root of PSTB, then phi 1 of t equal to square root of 2 divided by TB cos of 2 pi FHT, phi 2 of t square root of 2 divided by TB cos of 2 pi L t. The level shifter converts the plus 1 level to square root of PSTB, 0 level is unaffected. Thus the output of the level shifter will be either square root of PSTB if plus 1 or 0. If input is 0, further there are product modulators after level shifter. The two carrier signals phi 1 of t, phi 2 of t are used. Phi 1 of t and phi 2 of t are orthogonal to each other. In 1 bit period of input signal, TB phi 1 of t, phi 2 of t have integral number of cycles. The binary phase shift keying, the waveform which will be shows BFSK system it is. Next one, coherent FSK receiver. Shows the block diagram of coherent FSK receiver. There are two correlators or two frequencies FSK signal. These correlators are applied with the locally generated carriers phi 1 of t and phi 2 of t. The decision device then decides in favor of if S2 of t less than S1 of t, then y of t less than 0, and decision decides the in favor of 0. Next one, non-coherent FSK receiver. Figure shows the block diagram of FSK receiver. The receiver consists of two bandpass filters with one center FH and another with the frequency FL. Since FH minus FL equal to 2FB, the outputs of filters do not overlap. The bandpass filters pass their corresponding main lobes without much distortion. The output of filters are applied to envelope detectors. The outputs of detectors are compared by the comparator if unipolar comparator is used. Then the output of comparator is bit sequence. Next one is PSK generation scheme. The PSK signal can be generated by applying carrier signal to the balanced modulator. The baseband signal is applied as a modulating signal to the balanced modulator. Figure shows the block diagram of BPSK signal generator. The NRZ encoder converts the binary data sequence into bipolar NRZ signal. Next one, the coherent reception PSK signal, which will be consisting of what? First, PSK signal from channel square law device, then it will be applied to band pass filter, frequency divider by 2, synchronous demodulator multiplier, bit synchronizer, then the integrator. Operation of the receiver. Phase shift in the received signal. The signal undergoes the phase change depending upon the time delay from transmitter to receiver. This phase change is normally fixed phase shift in the transmitted signal. Square law device. Now from this received signal, a carrier is separated since this is coherent detection. Bandpass filter. This signal is then passed through a bandpass filter whose passband is centered around 2f0. Bandpass filter passes only frequencies of 2f0. Frequency divider. The f0, the 2f0 frequency from bandpass filter is divided by 2. This gives the f0 frequency which becomes synchronous carrier or detection. Synchronous modulator. Synchronous demodulator multiplies the input signal and the recovered carrier. The integrator integrates the demodulator output over 1 bit period. The bit synchronizer evaluates this 1 bit period. Finally, output of integrator is sampled at the end of 1 bit duration. Block diagram of DPSK generator. Figure shows the block diagram. Advantages of FSK. It is simple to generate. Second one, no amplitude variations in modulated signal. Disadvantages. Bandwidth is greater than 4 FB. Only half of the transmitted energy carries the information signal. Advantages of PSK. Transmitted power remains constant. Error performance is better. Amplitude variations are less. Disadvantages. There is no phase continuity. Detection circuit is complex. Applications. Transmission of video data. Transmission of speech and text. Advantages of DPSK. DPSK does not require carrier at its receiver. Bandwidth requirements of DPSK reduced compared to BPSK. Disadvantages. Probability of error rate is higher. Noise interference is more. Advantages of QPSK. Bandwidth required by QPSK reduced to half compared to PSK. Reduced bandwidth information transmission rate is higher. Applications. Cellular wireless standard such as GSM, CDMA, LTE, mobile, WiMAX, satellite and cable TV. Video conferencing, cable modems. Advantages of MSK. Baseband waveform are smoother compared to QPSK. MSK waveform does not have amplitude variations compared to QPSK. Disadvantages. Bandwidth requirements of MSK 1.5 FB where it is FB in QPSK. Generation and detection of MSK is complex.